Hello, Aries Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome po to James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for April 7 to 13. Happy birthday po sa mga Aries dyan na nag-birthday sa linggong ito. Naway magkaroon po kayo ng masagana, masaya at a festive birthday po ngayong linggong ito. And also, I hope that your heart's desires will come true. So, i-enjoy nyo po ang inyong special birthday ngayong pong linggong ito. Kulad po ng kagawian, kunin nyo lang po yung makaresonate kayo sa ating reading, and yung iba po impormasyon ay para po sa ibang Aries po yon. So, kunin nyo po yung makaka-resonate kayo gamit ang inyong mismong intuition, nakaloob po sa inyo na inyong spirit guide sa ating reading for today. Thank you po again for the likes, for the shares, for the subscriptions, and also for those who are not skipping the ads. Maraming salamat po sa inyong generosity, kindness, and suporta sa ating channel. So, Aries, ano ang naghihintay sa'yo ngayong April 7 to 13? Inhale. And exhale. At the center of your reading, you have the Judgment card. Uy, pag-aksyon. In the area of what you want, you have the 8 of Swords. In the area of what you need, you have the 9 of Cups. Kung lagi po kayo nakikinig sa aking channel, ito na ang oras at pagkakataon para kayo ay mag-wish because 9 of Cups is a wish fulfillment card. Kapag lumalabas siya, kailangan mo mag-wish. So, i-pause mo muna ang video, close your eyes, be specific, be concise, i-wish mo na yung mga dapat mong i-wish at si 9 of Cups na ang bahalang idulog ang iyong mga dasal at it will come true. Your spirit guides are listening right now at tutulungan kanyang matupad ang iyong mga dasal. So congratulations, Aries. In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Wheel of Fortune. Beautiful. In the area of your near future, meron kang the Magician. Wow, napakaswerte mo naman this time. May Magician ka dito. In the area of your challenge, you have the King of Wands. In the area of your fortune, meron kang the 10 of Cups. Beautiful. Happily ever after card. Congratulations. In the area of your divine advice, meron kang 10 of Wands. At meron kang 2 of Swords. Okay. At ang yung outcome this week, Aries, meron kang Page of Cups. Wow, a huge surprise coming to you at the end of this week. So, congratulations. At the bottom of your deck, meron kang 3 of Wands. Ano yung mga bagay na hinihintay mo mangyari this week, Aries? Meron ka bang hinihintay na I don't know, may hinihintay ka bang regalo, parcel, ganyan, good news, someone coming home from a long distance relationship o matagal mo na itong gustong hinihintay na makauwi o ikaw ang hinihintay na makauwi na. For others, may hinihintay ka talaga na malaking balita na parang yun na lang ang hinihintay mong confirmation o kaya go signal para makapunta ka na dun sa lugar o destinasyon o kaya approval for a certain endeavor na pinagkakaabalahan mo this time. I'm also hearing for other Aries, may hinihintay kang tawag o komunikasyon from someone na parang matagal mo nang hinihintay na mag-reach out. Pero parang ikaw, gusto mo mag-reach out pero siya ang hinihintay mo mag-first move. Ganyan. I don't know why. Very specific yan. For a very specific Aries dyan. Sorry, nadigaya ko. So, Aries, you're waiting for something this time and I'm seeing here, may paparating na good news, may paparating na happiness. So what's waiting for you ay paparating this week. So congratulations in advance. A very happy and prosperous week ito para sa'yo. To start na tayo at the center, you have the Judgment card. I'm seeing here call for action. May hinihintay ka daw, di ba? Meron kang hinihintay dito na parang bagay, good news, on information, something na magbibigay sa iyo ng lakas ng loob at saka ng push para ituloy ang isang bagay. Kung ano man po yung pinagdadaanan mo this time, I'm really hearing this a positive news, a positive outcome or information na matagal mong inasam na makuha this week. For others, may pagising, meron ka bang na-realize this week? Parang, kaya pala gano'n siya sa akin, hindi pala siya totoong umiibig sa akin. O kaya pala may mixed signals, meron siyang sinasabi sa akin na hindi ko maunawaan. Ayun pala ibig sabihin nun. For others, ito pala ang life path ko, ito pala dapat kong puntahan, ito pala ang negosyo na dapat kong itayo, ganyan. Kaya pala hindi umaandar yung gantong bagay kasi ito pala ang kailangan kong ayusin, nag-focus ako sa maling bagay. So, this time, marami kang mga pagising or realization or enlightenment and you have to take action on it. I'm hearing for others, pinibigyan ka na ni Archangel Gabriel dito ng signals or signs or synchronicities. Hindi mo lang masyadong pinapansin. Are you seeing double digits sa numbers, sa orasan, sa TV, o kaya yung mga sign na hiniling mo, biglang sumusulpot and you're thinking, ito na ba yun? Ito na ba yung sign? This is a confirmation, ito na yung sign sa hinihintay mo. You're waiting for this and it will come to you now. Okay, the call for action is now also. The Judgment cards being clarified by the Sun. wow, this will make you so happy. This will change your life for the better. Ito na talaga yung inaasahan mo. No? Ito lang yung hinihintay mong bagay. And you will be very, very free na from something. Parang may kalayaan, may paglaya, may parang, yes, Lord, thank you. This is it. Dininig mo yung dasal ko. I'm hearing. Meron ditong answered prayer and you're very, very happy kasi na-realize mo, totoo pala, tinutupad ang dasal. Totoo pala, dito na yung hiniling ko. So, congratulations. This is something big, something huge. So, congratulations sa'yo. In the area of what you want, you have the Eight of Swords. You want to get out of the stuck mindset or stuck era ng life mo ngayon? Meron bang mga bagay na parang feeling mo, dahil nga siguro naghihintay ka pa ng mga good news o may inaasahan kang dumating sa life mo ngayon, feeling mo stuck ka, feeling mo stagnant o walang paggalaw, walang pag-andar sa mga bagay na inaasahan mo, and you're kind of like questioning na rin yung path, kina-question na rin yung dreams mo, kina-question mo yung goal mo, o kina-question mo yung mga ginagawa mo, yung mga effort mo na parang ako ba may problema o saan ko ba pwedeng ayusin, and you feel like you're stuck at minamaliit mo na yung sarili mo, kina-question mo na yung sarili mo. So this is the right time for you to get out of this mindset. Kayang-kaya mo makawala dito. You're just doing fine, I'm hearing. Kaya mo yan, walang problema sa'yo. You're doing your best effort and let God do the magic on your part, 'di ba? Parang para sa'yo, yan na yung best na ginawa mo. Hayaan mo lang si God magbaba ng grasya para sa'yo at His right time, okay? The Eight of Swords being clarified by the Judgment card. Dalawang beses ba ang Judgment card? Yes, nasa isip mo na to. Nasa isip mo na yung parang, kailangan kong actionan to, kailangan kong kumawala dito, I need to take my life out of this situation. Nandun na sa isip mo yan, nandun na sa puso mo yan, ramdam mo na, alam mo yung gagawin, pero dahil siguro walang resources or there are no other people sa life mo na makakatulong sa'yo to get you out of that situation, o kaya feeling mo lahat sila against you, kaya parang ganoon rin tingin mo sa sarili mo, kaya hindi ka makawala dyan. Pero I'm hearing dito na may talagang may dasal na tinupad, may dasal na napakinggan, and dahil napakalakas ng spiritual power ng iyong pagdinig o pagdasal, paghingi ng tulong sa Diyos, I'm hearing talaga buong puso ito. Kapag talaga totoo ang dasal at talagang marubdob at talagang buong puso mo hiniling, it will be given to you. And I'm hearing palakasin mo palalo ang yung spiritual power and act on the things na alam mo. Kasi alam mo na alam mo yung dapat mong gawin, alam mo yung dapat mong iwasan, alam mo yung dapat mong baguhin. So start from there, paunti-unti, step by step, and you will see mga next week, baka nakawala ka na doon sa isang mindset o sa isang sitwasyon na akala mo hindi ka makakawala because ginawa mo siya paunti-unti. Small step is a big victory pag pinagsama-sama mo, hindi ba? So in the area of what you needed daw, kailangan mo, Aries, at this moment is to sit back and relax. With the Nine of Cups here, don't do things forcefully. Huwag mong puwersahin, huwag mong kontrolin. Tignan mo siya, nakaupo lang siya, nagre-relax siya, may tiwala siya sa mga na-acquire niya na skills, na awards, lahat ng experiences, lahat yan napuno niya at lahat yan naipon niya. At nakaupo na lang siya at naniniwala siya na darating sa kanya yung mga wishes niya. Kaya siya ay wish fulfillment card kasi feel niya very fulfilled siya, and whatever he or she manifests, darating kasi lahat naman ng mga bagay ay, na inaasahan niya, inasa kanya. So, kailangan i-embody mo daw this time na lahat ng hilingin ko, lahat ng gusto ko, manifest ko, makukuha ko. Parang act as if nasa sa'yo na yung mga bagay na yan. This time is, ayusin mo daw yung mindset mo palakasin mo yung manifestation powers and believe that everything that you want will come to you at the right time and it will be given to you no matter what. Walang question, walang but, walang if, di ba? So, ito daw ang embody mo. Sit back, relax. Huwag mong puwersahin, darating din yan para sa'yo. So, congratulations in advance. The Nine of Cups being clarified by the Six of Wands. Victory card. Yung sabi dito na kapag nag-relax ka lang, ginawa mo lang kaya mo, hindi mo pinuwersa, hindi mo pinilit. And I don't know why, pero naturalesa sa'yo ang pag-stand out. Yung parang, kasi Aries, you're very bold, you're very ambitious, you're very eager, competitive kayo, no? Pero nasa natural mong qualities yan. Pero I'm seeing here na whatever you do, I'm seeing talaga people will applaud you, people will admire you. You are the center of the attraction and the center of attention na parang they will see how hard you work para sa isang bagay, kung ano yung mga effort mo, people will recognize you. So this time, ikalma mo lang at darating din yung mga bagay na hinihintay mo, okay? Don't force things. And nakikita ko dito yung tagumpay na hinihintay mo, okay? In the area of what's affecting your current energy, meron kang Wheel of Fortune. So this time, Ito daw ang nakaapekto dito. So kaya may call for action, may pagising, may parang, okay, ito pala gagawin ko. Ito pala yung dapat kong puntahan, na-realize ko na now. It's because gusto mo nang umikot yung kapalaran mo, no? Gusto mo nang, ayaw mo nang mag-stuck, like may stuck ka dito. Ayaw mo nang maghintay lang, ayaw mo na nang parang nakatenga ka o umaasa na lang sa sasabihin o parang I don't know, parang ayaw mong maghintay na lang. You want something to move. You want it to you want to steer the pot, you want to create things on your own para masiguro na yung outcome at resulta na gusto mo ay makuha mo agad. And I'm feeling here that the divine power, the fate, your destiny, your fortune is going in your favor. Napakalakas ng iyong swerte this time. Sa mga yung birthday dyan, napakaswerte mo kasi tumapat sa birthday week mo itong swerte na ito. Congratulations. But for other Aries also, swerte ka rin, kahit di mo birthday. Swerte ka rin this week because I'm seeing really a prosperous energy dito. Ang dami mo magagandang bagay sa iyong card. So congratulations. What you've been waiting for is here. So the fortune card is being clarified by the Knight of Cups. Wow, an offer. This offer changes your life. Someone came to you this week. Kaya may pag-action kay someone came to you and sinabi sa'yo na, uy, may ganito trabaho doon, punta tayo. O kaya inalok ka na, uy, may gantong gusto mo magsosyo tayo sa negosyo. O kaya may nagpayo sa'yo, parang, uy, ito gawin mo ganyan. Kaya parang ikaw, okay, may kalinawan sa isip mo kung ano yung maging direction mo o life path mo for the next week or for the next month. Para may someone gave you these beautiful, beautiful blessings of enlightenment this week. Whether magulang mo yan, kapatid, or boss, workmate, and then you realize, kaya pala, ito pala dapat kong gawin. Ito pala yung solusyon. Siya yung magbibigay sa'yo ng susi para umandar ang kapalaran at mabago mo ang mga dapat mong baguhin at umaksyon ka sa mga dapat mong aksyonan. So congratulations, Aries. In the area of your near future, meron kang the Magician. Ito ang maganda. Since kapag dumating na itong bagay na hinihintay mo, you have the power para magamit itong bagay na ito in your advantage. I'm seeing here you have the big skills this week. Para kung ano man yung dumating na manifestation mo. Meron kami na manifest this time. May prayers ka. Dinasal mo, I manifest this. I claim this. I want this to happen in my life this time. And ang lakas sa manifestation powers mo, it will come down to you now. And I'm seeing here na kailangan mo daw, I don't know why I'm hearing this, kailangan mo daw alagaan ito. Because sometimes not every manifestation pag dumarating ay inaalagaan. So you need to be consistent and believe in yourself. So now, it's the time for you to make a wish. I manifest this, blank, 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 blank. I-manifest mo yan because you have the enormous power to make it come true. Congratulations. The Magician is being clarified by the Seven of Wands. Wow, may peace, may clarity. I'm seeing here you trying to defend yourself. Meron kang gustong patunayan, meron kang gustong buuin o ipakita sa ibang tao, kaya siguro may victory card ka dito because people are gonna recognize you and applaud you, parang bibilib sila sa'yo kasi nagawa mo yung isang bagay and you have proven yourself again and again with other people. Someone are questioning you, I'm hearing may question sa'yo sa posisyon mo, kung deserve mo ba itong posisyon ng ganito o yung lugar mo dito, and they're kind of like doubting your skills or doubting your efforts and kung ano yung kakayahan mo. And this time I'm seeing here combo sila with the Magician, kaya mong gawin lahat ng pangarapin mo, and you have the Seven of Wands, kaya mong panindigan ang mga bagay na kailangan mong panindigan. Stand your ground and defend yourself to these people o sitwasyon na pilit na kumakalaban o parang nagbibigay sa iyo ng mga struggles this time. And I'm seeing you happily defending yourself and meron kang peace For others, I'm seeing here, put boundaries daw. Ngayon is the right time for you you have the ability to put boundaries against other people or other situations or habits or community or set of groups na alam mong hindi na para sa'yo at hindi makakabuti sa mga bagay na inaasam-asam mo. So congratulations, Aries. Napakaganda ng iyong near future. Congratulations. In the area of your challenge, meron kang King of Wands. Ito ang challenge naman sa'yo this week. Pakinggan mo itong mabuti. Aries? Challenge sa'yo ang magpatuloy. You have the Magician. You have the Nine of Cups. You have the Victory card here. Meron kang Judgment. May Sun. Meron kang Offer pa dito. May Wheel of Fortune. Pero ang challenge sa'yo, yung parang dire-diretso ka, yung motivation mo para sa isang bagay na gawin at tapusin yun ang problema sa iyo baka mamaya malingat ka, ma-distract ka, hindi mo na ituloy, hindi mo na gawin. Yung energy mo para sa bagay na to kahapon, iba yung energy mo ngayon. So like I said kanina, consistency ang kailangan mo. Kailangan consistent. Araw-araw patuloy mong gawin. Believe also in the goals. Believe ka sa future mo. Maniwala ka sa sarili mo kakayanan at saka sa pinapangarap mo. Kasi kung half-hearted ka sa isang bagay, paano mo itutuloy yan? Paano ka magkakaroon ng motivation at lakas sa loob na ipagpatuloy yung mga bagay na gusto mo? Kung ikaw mismo may alinlangan ka sa pangarap mo, may alinlangan ka sa goals mo. So make sure na the fire within you ay malakas at yung motivation mo to continue and finish this quest ay nandoon. Dapat gamitin mo daw yung mga nasa past mo. Tignan mo si King of Wands, nakatingin siya sa past. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng natutunan mo sa past, gamitin mo yun para this time matapos mo ng successfully yung mga bagay na kailangan mong matapos. Okay? You also need to be parang matibay. Kahit anong dali ng buhay, kahit anong problema ang mag-arise, dapat hindi ka naliligwak doon sa focus mo sa pangarap mo. Okay? King of Wands being clarified by the Two of Pentacles. Yes, all about your choices. Mamimili ka talaga dito. Minsan, balansehin mo rin ang buhay mo. Ano ba ang kahalagahan ng pangarap na ito? So, kung itong pangarap na to at goal na to ay mahalaga sa'yo with the King of Wands, dapat alam mo kung anong pipiliin mo, your priorities. Hindi pwedeng, itong pangarap ko, sige, bukas na yan, nanonood mo na akong TV, o maglalaro mo na ako ng computer games o phone games. And then hindi mo na tinuloy, pinagpalibad mo na lang. So make sure that you know your priorities this week, Aries, okay? In the area of your fortune, ito naman ang maganda, 10 of Cups, happiness, joy, bountiful relationship, kaperahan for your whole family. I'm seeing happiness here, harmonious relationship. May matatapos sa pagbuo ng bahay, makapaayos sa isang area ng bahay, lababo ba yan o banyo. For others, makakabili ng kotse, mababayaran na ng buo yung bahay na hinuhulugan. For some, may extend na yung bahay. Everything na tungkol sa bahay this week ay matutupad. So, congratulations sa iyo, Aries. May paggaling din from sickness from a certain family member. So, congratulations. I'm sorry. The 10 of Cups being clarified by the 5 of Wands. Yes, winning something. Parang ikaw, lahat ng tinatrabaho mo ngayon ay para sa pamilya. So you're gonna win something this week for your family. For your family's happiness. Whether manalo sa loto this week. So ayusin mo na yung mga lucky numbers na inaasikaso mo. So I'm seeing you winning something big this time. And this will make your family so happy. Whether also for other Aries, manalo ka ng isang solid na posisyon sa trabaho, mag-level up, merong promotion, or you're gonna win big ngayong linggo sa iyong negosyo, malaki ang kita, ganyan. So, there is something winning. May winning moment ka this week for your family and may spread mo sa iyong pamilya ang iyong swerte this week. So, congratulations. Ang ganda-ganda nito. In the area of your divine advice, meron kang 10 of Wands and 2 of Swords. So dito daw, sinasabi sa'yo ng spirit guides mo, paalala sa'yo, may mga bagahe ka daw, may mga burden ka, may mga mabigat na dalahin ka, whether responsibilities ito o para sinasarili mo daw yung ibang mga responsibilidad at hindi mo hinahayaan yung ibang members ng family mo o sa trabaho man lang na ibigay mo naman sa kanila yung dapat na kanilang responsibilidad. Parang kinakanya mo eh. And you have to open up yourself, wag mo kanyahin, make this bold decision to just say, oy, hindi ko na to kaya, hindi na to saklaw ng aking trabaho, kaya na gumawa niyan, kaya nyo na yan, hindi ko na kailangang i-monitor, ganyan. For the family, kung ikaw ay breadwinner, pagod ka na, make sure na this time, talk to them and have this clear decision of telling them na, uy, baka pwedeng ikaw na sumalo sa kuryente, ikaw na sa ganyan, kasi ako nag-iipon ako for something. So, para gumaan-gaan ang pakiramdam mo, have this open communication with someone and tell them para gumaan ang mga responsibilities mo, ang iyong kalooban, and be open with the communication, okay? Practicein mo din daw, I'm hearing, practicein mo yung mga sasabihin mo para hindi ka ma-misinterpret and so that makuha mo yung desired na outcome mo sa communication mo na yan with a certain family member or katrabaho, okay? Ang iyong outcome na napakaganda na Page of Cups, pag-usapan natin later. Let's have additional messages from the Divine. Ay, i-clarify ko pala muna to. The 10 of Wands being clarified by the 10 of Wands being clarified by the 10 of Wands. Talagang kailangan mo daw pag-aanin na yung mga dalahin mo this week, Aries. Meron ka ba mga problema? May kinikim-kim sa dibdib mo? Make sure na isabihin mo na yan. Tell the specific person na kailangan mo kausapin about that. Pero kung ikaw nabibigatan ka na sa mga responsibilities mo, time na to pag-aanin ang mga loads na yan and designate other responsibilities to your loved ones na. Kailangan mo na yan. The 2 of Swords being clarified by the Queen of Cups. Yes. Mayroon kang indecision this time. Parang hindi ka daw makapamili o hindi ka makapag-decide na sabihin yan o i-delegate na to mga bagahe sa dibdib mo at saka sa balikat mo
at sa buhay mo. Para daw mapanatili ang yung peace of mind, ang yung katahimikan, ang kaligayahan mo mentally and physically, kailangan mo na mag-decide. Meron kang indecision kasi dito eh. So, para mawala na daw yan at maging tahimik na rin ang isip mo, kausapin mo na yung dapat mong kausapin. Okay? Other messages, let's have number 1, 46, 4 or 4 and 6. Kung ito po yung special number para sa inyo, this is a confirmation that this reading is for you. Peacock Spirit, nakita po kayo ng Peacock anywhere, whether pictures, personal o internet o napag-usapan, this is a confirmation that this reading is for you. Let it shine. Kung ano po yung mga bagay na tinatrabaho mo ngayon, let it shine with the sun. Sit back and relax. Huwag ka masyadong problema. Darating at darating din yung mga bagay na yan, and it will shine at the right time, okay? Another message, follow what lights you up. Kung saan ka masaya, kung saan ka dalhin ng kapalaran na doon ng puso mo, go. Don't be guilty for finding the light and choosing what makes you happy, okay, Aries? Ito ang area na kailangan mong pag-focusan this whole week, April 7 to 13. Indecision, like I've said dito, meron kang indecision. I use my intuition in all aspects of my life. So, kung kailangan mo talaga mag-decide sa isang bagay, upuan mo na yan, kausapin mo na, kailangan mo na mag-decide so that yung mga bagay na hinihintay mo, na nagiging bunga ng indecisions ay makuha mo na, okay? Ang yung outcome na napakaganda, Aries, you have the Page of Cups, a huge surprise na paparating sa iyo this week. Isang bagay na hindi mo, sa hinagap, hindi mo akalain na makukuha mo ngayong linggong ito. Whether approval na yan, o tungkol sa trabaho, o kaya merong napakadaming client ngayon, o kaya may bibili ng lupa, may tutubos na ng lupa, o meron ka na mababayaran mo na, ganyan, o makakabili ka na ng kotse. Someone will come to you lending you money para matuloy mo na yung passion project na matagal mo nang gustong tapusin. So, be prepared this week. A huge surprise, something beautiful will come to you. I-clarify natin to kung ano tong Page of Cups na to. The Page of Cups being clarified by the Hanged Man. This time, enlightenment will come to you. The huge surprise will stop the hanged man mentality mo. Parang may pagkilos sa this time. Tapos na yung stagnant area. Tapos na yung parang nakatenga ka. Para may yung pagdating na to, it will move you further in life. Tapos na ang paghihintay at it will give you your desires at papunta ka na sa mga bagay na gusto mong puntahan. Kaya abangan mo tong Page of Cups mo this week, mga magagandang balita sa buhay mo na ikatutuwa mo at tapos na ang struggle, tapos na yung parang nakatenga ka o parang walang paggalaw. Everything is moving from now on. This is your winning moment week. Congratulations sa iyo, Aries. Tapos na ang paghihintay. Yan po ang inyong weekly reading for April 7 to 13. Saan po kayo naka-resonate, saan po kayo naka-relate. Comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. This has been James for James Tyler Page. God bless everybody.